Zero.
So what's wrong with it? The bearing's gone.
We think.
We're still trying to find out.
Your borehole's still push at this point out there?
Barometer will govern that.
Okay.
There'll be a flow.
I'm not gonna lie.
Hey, has anybody got an old cheap knife in their pocket? Let's scratch on some paint with.
I have. I have.
Thank you.
Can I come round?
You sure can. Jason, this is Christopher.
Hello, Christopher.
Hello.
From actually over in England.
Really?
He's a lightning scientist.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I know
Yep.
some.
We're down here working in the mine.
I know a couple of guys from England. Work for Frontier Timber Constructors.
Where did they turn it on from?
They've got it locked out now because you're in there working. You have to lock it out.
Yeah.
So he's going to call Paul and have Paul come down. And
Okay.
Ready?
I think you need a motor.
Huh?
I think you need a motor.
Says you think you need a
It's
motor?
showing 5 mils of vibration right there on that front bearing. I didn't check the back, but it sounds to me like the bearing just crushed in the back side of the motor. That's the motor. I think the fan's fine. Get in there while it's still turning. It's Thursday. MJ Electric probably pick it up, put a new one, or rebuild it, have it back to you or something. Done that. Boards are $85 a piece. A lot of money there worth saving.
Okie dokie. Let me go get on the horn, then.